calculate A, big A, and then you put into your equation. C also 2 dot R, that means 2 multiplied by R. So that will give you the value of C. Okay, so just now we have discussed the encircling phase or encircling way to catch the prey. When the preys are encircled or chased and the preys are concentrated into a center, that means, and when the prey is concentrated into the center, the whale starts to circle them. So that is, they say it as encircle phase of catching prey. Okay, so we have A, we have C. How we can calculate the value of A, we know. How we can calculate the value of C is, you know. So that is all about how to find the values of coefficient vectors at each iteration. This is about the bubble net attacking phase. I have already said that humpback whales can either chase the prey and concentrate them into a center, and they themselves rotates around it. So they encircle the prey, push them into the center, and then they try to catch it. This is one method, which is known as encircling of prey method, right? Another method is yours, this one, spiral update or exploitation, or it is also known as bubble net attacking. Here the whales move from below to surface. If this is the sea surface and this is the sea bottom, the whale move from here to here. And when they spot their prey near the surface or middle of the sea, what they do is they move in a spiral manner, and that is also in a shape like 9, the numerical digit 9. They move like this, correct? Then again 9. Then again 9, and so on. And when they're moving, they generate bubbles, air bubbles, which create a wall around the prey and make this prey confused and motionless.